Alright guys, another Nike SB video. It's a blue box release. Show you guys the box like I normally do. Let's see. Let me focus in on this real quick.
Anything Mayo can do, we can do Boulder. The choice is yours. Are you up for some sandwich
Yep.
chicken flavor? Are you Miracle Whip?
Show you guys outside. It's the paper, my bad. Show you the inside of the box. Right there. Now the back of the box. Focus in real quick. Alright, here we go. Let's get into the shoe. Let me focus back in. There we go. Got the Larry Perkins Chirping Birds. You got the wood grain paper, wood grain box interior. Let's get into the shoe. These are the Chirping Birds, and if you guys didn't know, there are two versions of the Chirping Birds. There are Nike SB made one of them without the sound box because they couldn't ship it overseas, I guess, or something within. I forgot what it was. My mistake. But there's something with overseas that they're not allowed to have it, or I don't know what the hell's up with that. But somebody told me about that, so they made two versions. I have the one with the sound box, by the way. Alright, let's get into the shoe. You got a, sorry I'm a little tired. Been making videos all day long. Alright. The whole shoe is pretty much a black denim. All over. Black denim all over. You got a black stitching all over as well. All over the place, black stitching. Let me get into the swoosh real quick. Got a black patent leather swoosh. Black patent leather swoosh comes around the shoe. Really nice. Makes the shoe pop a little bit. Pretty nice. And on the back, you got black. It's like a black type of like a mesh in the back here, seems to be. Yeah, black mesh right there. And then you got white Nike heel tab in the back. White leather with Nike stitching in red. And let me see. You got a black denim toe box. I left the black laces on it, black Kevlar laces on it, and then let's get into the tongue. These are the, this is the black mesh tongue, and the sound box is on the left side, if you guys didn't know, and followed by a white and red Nike SB tongue tab with black tongue piping all around, and you have a black fur similar to the Gibsons. Same fur, pretty much, as the Gibsons, as you can see right there. And as you can see, I did tap the sound box, if you guys can hear that. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Yeah, that's a sound box. Let's see. It's like I said, It's the black first sock lining. I'll do the inside of the shoe, inside of the shoe, with that black interior inside there. Let me show you guys a tag. One moment. There we go. Yep. And let me show you guys the back of the tongue is a black, and then the tongue tab is white with red stitching to go along with this and this, which is really nice, and that too. It's a really nice touch, and as well, it also has a white and like an off-white or white, white and red insole, and black tongue holder thingies or whatever you want to call them, right there. And this is the other shoe, same deal. Yep. Also comes with white laces. And this is the Nike SB Chirping Birds. Oop, blurry. My mistake. Nike SB Chirping Birds. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.